Hello beautiful people, this is the Bell Makeovers. You're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today I have a Nigerian bridal makeup and gele transformation tutorial for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I already uploaded this eyebrow tutorial in my previous video and I made it as detailed as possible. The link will be in the description box. You can go and watch it. So I'm not going to dwell on it here. I'm just going to jump right into the eyeshadow. I'm just setting the eyes with powder before going into eyeshadow primer. The eye look I'm doing is very simple. I'm just going to use a beige eyeshadow and contour with a soft brown matte eyeshadow. After which I'm going to transition with a very soft pink eyeshadow in between the neutral color I used and the brown contour that I did. And I'm going to place some glitters over it with glitter glue. That's basically it for the eyes. I'm going to list all the products I used in the description box.
I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead. Far from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed now. Full speed, got the pedal down. Full speed now. Yeah.
Now I'm moving into the skin. After cleansing with my micellar cleansing water, I'm using this Adventure sweat top. It says it's a sweat and oil barrier all over our face. I'm applying it with a cotton wool. Then once it dries down, I'm going in with a moisturizer all over her face. For the parts of her face that get really oily, I'm just patting in some mattifying primer on it, on her forehead, her nose, her cheeks area and her chin basically.
Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. down. Full speed now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Full speed now, now. Full speed, got the pedal down. Full speed now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. In slow motion, baby, it's just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. And we live in the moment, so you know living tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live like tonight is forever.
Okay, so initially I was going for soft nude lips, but when I finished I wasn't really feeling it, so I eventually changed it to something much brighter. But I just wanted to show you both of them, so let me know in the comment section which one do you prefer, the soft lips or the bright one.
Attention, yeah, you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live like tonight is forever.
This is the second lippy. Because I was working with matte lip products, I tried to do the upper lips first before going to the lower lips, so that I will have enough time to blend the lipsticks before they dry. So which one do you prefer? Personally, I prefer this one. I like it. Let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. You'll see the two of them very soon. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Yes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.